Welcome to the final lecture of our date and time section. We will now apply our knowledge of date-time objects and time delta to a project management scenario, calculating future deadlines and determining the remaining time for a task. 1. Creating a time delta object. The time delta class, which we encountered when measuring execution time, is primarily used to represent a duration, a difference in time, not an absolute point in time. You create one by passing keywords like days, hours, minutes, or seconds. Here, we define a project duration of 30 days and 8 hours. 2. Calculating a future deadline using addition. The magic of time delta is that you may add it directly to a date-time object. When you add a duration to a date-time object, Python handles the complexity of calendar math, like rolling over months and years, and returns a new date-time object representing the date and time in the future. This is perfect for setting project deadlines. 3. Calculating time remaining using subtraction. To find the time remaining until a deadline, you subtract the earlier date time from the later one. The result is, once again, a time delta object, which tells you the duration between those 2 points. You may then access the .days attribute to get the whole days remaining, or use .total seconds parenthesis for a more granular view. To summarize, you now have a complete toolkit for handling dates, times, durations, and system time, covering everything from logging to project management. Our next lecture, 26.01, Introduction. See you there.